Hi everyone, Luke from Hotwire here in our frequently asked questions series on underfloor heating. A lot of people are really interested in what thermostats we offer, so you know what's actually going to be on the wall in your home and the features that they have. So we've got three main options at Hotwire. The default thermostat that you'll get with your system is a fully programmable 24-hour thermostat. You can simply program around your lifestyle. It's available in 3 different colors, and you can even turn it horizontally or vertically. From there, we've also got a dual thermostat that can control a heated shower rail as well as your underfloor heating. And you can run them at separate times throughout the day, depending on your lifestyle. The third one we have is a Wi-Fi thermostat. The Wi-Fi thermostat can be controlled from an app on your phone and even connect through to the Google Home system. So really convenient. You're on your way home from work, you've forgotten to turn on your floor heating. You can just yell at your phone and say, "Hey Google, turn on my floor heating." So a really convenient option for you if you'd like to upgrade to that. All our standard pricing includes the fully programmable thermostat that'll come with every system. You just need to tell us what color you want. So some really great products, some really great features covering the whole range of Hotwire systems. As always, we can't wait to help you get Hotwire.